Children, this is the contributions of Gangas in the field of art, architecture, and administration. Brahmapuris and Gatikas were the educational centers of the Ganga period. They installed 58-foot monolithic idols of Gomateshwara at Shravanabelagola. The ancient Halmidi inscription of Kannada language was used in this century. This is the Halmidi inscription, children. This is the Halmidi inscription. This was the contributions. Brahmapuris and Gatikas were educational centers. They were the centers of their residential schools for the children. They installed 58-foot monolithic idol of Gomateshwara at Shravanabelagola and the ancient Halmidi inscriptions of Kannada. The first Kannada inscription is the Halmidi inscription. First Kannada inscription was used during this date period in this century. This is the Bahubali Gomateshwara at Shravanabelagola. It was built by Ganga minister Chaundaraya. Now we will have a small story about the Bahubali. He was born to Rishabhnath and Sunanda in a period of Ishkwa dynasty in Ayodhya. He is also called Gomateshwara. He had 100 brothers and Bharat was the eldest one and Bahubali was the youngest one. After Bharat was coronated as a king, he finds a Chakraratna, that is a special wheel. Chakraratna, a special wheel, he won because he defeated all the neighboring kings of the neighboring kingdom and included all the kingdom to his kingdom. So he became an emperor. Or even all his brothers accepted his sovereignty, his independence, but Bahubali did not accept his sovereignty or his kingdom, his ruling. But when Bahubali did not accept it, both of them got ready to engage in a battle. Bahubali and Bharat wanted to fight a battle. Bharat lost in Drishti Yuddha. The first Yuddha was Drishti Yuddha, playing through the ice. Second one was Jala Yuddha, that is a Yuddha in the water. And Mala Yuddha, this is the art of fighting. At the end of the Mala Yuddha, Bahubali lifted Bharat and spinning him in the air like a wheel, was about to throw him away. Suddenly he lost all interest in everything around him and put his brother down. He bowed to his brother and went away to meditate for nirvana. Standing all the time, as he did not achieve salvation or the mukti, he realized that as long as he stands on his brother's kingdom, he is not able to achieve nirvana. So later brother came to him and said that the whole kingdom was Bahubali's and that he was ruling in his Bahubali's behalf. Then Bahubali achieved the nirvana. This was the story about the Bahubali children. Since the Gangas were Jains and Jainism flourished here, Pujyapada and others popularized this religion. Further, they have installed the statue of Gomateshwara at Shravanabelagola. This was about the Ganga dynasty children. Gangas ruled from 350 CE to 1004. Dadiga was the first ruler and Talakadu was their capital. Durvinita was the famous king. Their contribution is in the field of art and architecture. Halmidi was important inscriptions, Kannada inscriptions used during those days, and Bahubali was the um, statue installed by Chaundaraya ministry in the Ganga kingdom. And Bahubali, the statue was established by the Ganga minister. And art and architecture, Pataleshwara temple in Talakadu, which is having a tall pillar called Manastambhas and Brahma Mahastambhas. Manastambhas and Brahma Manastambhas. This is about the art and architecture of the Ganga's children. Thank you, children.